the silence after they left is deafening. Your world, once vibrant, now feels muted, the echo of their absence a constant, painful reminder of what's lost. Your self-worth, once anchored, now feels adrift. Every perceived flaw magnifies. Whispered doubts become louder than your own inner voice, making you question everything. The relationship ended, but the void it left behind is immense. You feel like a fraction of yourself, a puzzle with missing pieces, desperately searching for wholeness. Then, a tiny spark. A moment where the pain recedes, and a faint whisper reminds you that you existed, whole and complete, long before they were in your life. This pain is real, and it's okay to acknowledge it. Suppressing the grief only prolongs the healing process. Allowing yourself to feel is the first step towards true recovery. Observe the critical inner voice without judgment. Recognize its patterns. The never good enough, always, and never statements that erode your self-perception and keep you trapped. Gently question those harsh inner narratives. Ask yourself, is this thought truly my truth or a residue of past hurt? You are not defined by someone else's opinion. What did you love before? Revisit old hobbies, music, or places that once brought you genuine joy. These are threads of your authentic self, waiting to be rewoven. Nourish your body and soul. Simple acts like a warm bath, a healthy meal, or a quiet walk can feel like monumental victories, rebuilding your physical and emotional resilience. You are capable of navigating the world on your own. Each independent decision, from choosing dinner to planning your weekend, reinforces the truth of your self-sufficiency. There will be days the old feelings resurface, moments of doubt casting shadows. These are not failures, but reminders that healing is not linear, but a continuous process. Lean on your support system. Friends, family, or a shared interest group can offer perspective, comfort, and much-needed encouragement to keep you moving forward. Discover what ignites your curiosity now. Learning a new skill or diving into an unexplored interest taps into your potential and builds a positive self-identity. Reconnecting with your body through movement can be incredibly empowering. Each exercise, each step taken, rebuilds physical resilience and a sense of capability within yourself. Embrace the freedom of going places alone. Whether it's a museum visit or a solo diner meal, these experiences affirm your comfort and capability in your own company. Your home is your sanctuary. Rearrange, redecorate, or simply declutter to create an environment that reflects your current self and brings you peace and comfort. You have the right to say no. Learning to establish and maintain personal boundaries protects your energy and reinforces your self-respect, preventing further emotional drain. Forgive yourself for the choices made under duress or ignorance. Self-compassion is key. You did the best you could with the tools and understanding you possessed then. Your worth is inherent, not dependent on romantic validation. Start acknowledging the unique qualities, strengths, and contributions you bring to the world every single day. Perfection is an illusion. Your flaws are part of your unique story. Embrace them as stepping stones and sources of resilience, not reasons for shame or self-doubt. Structure can be a supportive friend. Establishing a gentle, consistent daily routine creates stability and a sense of control, anchoring you during turbulent emotional seas. Trust in your judgment, your intuition, and your capacity to choose wisely. Rebuilding trust starts with believing in yourself, even after betrayal or disappointment shattered it. Solitude is not loneliness. Cultivate a comfortable relationship with being alone, finding contentment and peace in your own quiet company, free from external validation. The natural world offers profound healing. Spending time outdoors, breathing fresh air, and observing the simple beauty around you can ground you and restore inner calm. Acknowledge every step forward, no matter how small. These are milestones on your path to rebuilding confidence. Celebrate your resilience and courage with quiet pride. View past relationships as learning experiences, not failures. Each one taught you something about yourself, your needs, and what you truly deserve in future connections. Your capacity to bounce back is your greatest strength. Every challenge overcome, every difficult day navigated, fortifies your inner resilience, making you stronger than before. Accepting yourself fully, with all your complexities, is the foundation of confidence. This acceptance is not pride, but profound peace with who you are, right now. What matters most to you? Identifying your core values, integrity, kindness, creativity, provides an internal compass, guiding decisions and reinforcing your sense of purpose and identity. Dream big, then break it down. Setting achievable goals, both personal and professional, gives you direction and a tangible future to build towards with renewed purpose. The satisfaction of mastering something new is a potent confidence booster. It proves you are capable of growth, learning, and adaptation, regardless of past experiences. Giving back nurtures your spirit. Whether through volunteering or helping a neighbor, contributing positively to others' lives reaffirms your value and expands your sense of self. Shed the masks you used to wear. True confidence blossoms when you allow yourself to be seen and loved for exactly who you are, without pretense. Time offers perspective. What once felt like an insurmountable crisis now seems like a pivotal moment that led you to growth, strength, and a deeper self-understanding. Trust in your capabilities is built through consistent action. Every time you follow through on a goal or a commitment, you strengthen the foundation of your self-belief. Celebrate each positive interaction, each moment you speak your truth, each time you choose self-care. These cumulative victories build a powerful momentum of confidence. Your opinions and ideas have value. Speaking up, sharing your thoughts, and engaging in discussions without fear allows your unique perspective to be heard and respected. Listen to that inner knowing. Your intuition is your body and mind's wisdom, guiding you towards what feels right and away from what doesn't serve your highest good. Release the resentments that bind you. Forgiveness, especially for yourself, is a powerful act of liberation, freeing your energy to focus on building a positive future. You are stronger and more capable than you realized. Through challenges, you've unearthed hidden strengths. Resilience, adaptability, perseverance, and an unwavering spirit. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a dear friend. Acknowledge your efforts, and forgive your stumbles. You are worthy of your own compassion. Picture the life you want to build. Positive visualization is a powerful tool, directing your energy toward creating the fulfilling and confident future you deserve. Your inherent value never diminished. It was always there, waiting to be rediscovered. You are worthy of love, respect, and happiness, independent of any relationship. Seek relationships built on mutual respect and genuine connection. Your self-worth now acts as a magnet for people who see and value the real you. Every step, every setback, every triumph has shaped you. Your journey is unique and valuable. Trust the process and embrace the person you are becoming. Self-love is not selfish, it's essential. It's the bedrock upon which all other healthy relationships and achievements are built. Prioritize your own well-being daily. Confidence isn't innate, it's cultivated. Like any skill, it grows with practice, intention, and consistent effort. You are actively building your confidence, moment by moment. Embrace your unique mosaic of experiences, successes, and failures. True beauty lies not in flawlessness, but in the authentic, imperfect human being you are. You are exactly where you need to be. Trust that your journey is unfolding perfectly, even through the challenges, guiding you toward your authentic self. True confidence emanates from inner peace. Cultivate stillness, acceptance, and a quiet knowing that you are enough. This internal harmony is your ultimate strength. Your own capabilities are your most reliable foundation. Trust your ability to handle challenges, find solutions, and create the life you desire, independently. Repeat empowering truths daily. I am worthy, I am capable, I am resilient. These affirmations reprogram your subconscious, reinforcing your emerging self-confidence. When you are truly yourself, you naturally attract people who resonate with your authentic energy. This leads to deeper, more meaningful connections based on truth. You have navigated immense challenges and emerged stronger. Your resilience isn't just the ability to endure, but the power to transform and grow from adversity. You are a complex, beautiful whole. Your past, your present, your potential. All parts of you are valuable. Embrace this completeness with unwavering self-acceptance and love. Your newfound confidence isn't just internal. It shines outward in your posture, your smile, your interactions. You attract and create positive energy wherever you go. You are no longer a victim of circumstance. You are the architect of your life, capable of navigating challenges and creating the future you envision with strength. You have found a deep inner security. Being alone is no longer a fear, but a cherished opportunity for growth, reflection, and pure personal enjoyment. Your confidence is now an unshakable pillar. Rooted in self-love and acceptance, it's a quiet strength that guides you, empowers you, and lights your way forward. Remember this journey. You faced the depths of heartbreak and rebuilt yourself, stronger and more radiant than before. Your capacity for healing and growth is boundless. What one small act of self-care or self-love will you commit to today? Share your intention in the comments below and inspire others on their own powerful journeys.